Hey, what's going on guys? The Valley of Awesome here, and today I wanted to bring you a very special video. That's right, the title was not clickbait. Guys, Rocky over here, she actually got a 2-inch lift kit for free. It's crazy. So yeah, that's my other Jeep Liberty. Spoon, or aka Brianna. Anyways, but guys, look at this. So I'll explain more about what this is, but I will just let you know that it is a Daystar 2-inch lift kit. I'm going to explain who gave it to me and other stuff because I'm really thankful that I got this. I apologize for my unpreparedness. I really wasn't prepared for this video. It's like really cold out there. That's why I'm dressed in all this turtleneck and weird jacket clothing. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a budget boost. A 2-inch lift kit for a Jeep WK. That being Rocky over there. And so yeah, guys, this is like literally a complete kit. As you can see, the spacers themselves are muddy. That's because they're used. They came straight from Kentucky. And I want you guys to know about a certain person named Revere Overland. He's the guy who actually gave me this lift kit for free. And I'm going to leave a link to his channel like right here in the captions, as well as down in the link below, guys. Guys, just check him out. He is super amazing for sending this lift kit for Rocky, and words, like, I can't express how grateful I am. I mean, I'm a college student, you know, doing college while trying to become an EMT, and both of that combined is stressful, and it's costly. Tuition is expensive, and flip, I can't afford a lift kit right now, but gosh, look at this. I got it for free, no shipping, yeah, I didn't have to pay anything for this, guys. So please check his channel out, Revere Overland. He's one of the best guys out there. He does some pretty crazy stuff with his WK as well. And he actually once had this lift kit, but he went to an old man emu instead. And so I'm thinking about maybe installing it on Rocky once her struts and shocks need to be replaced, which is actually pretty soon. I kind of tore them up off-road. I'm like one of those guys that goes like 5 or 10 miles per hour through mud ruts, all of that. And one question for you guys. I know that I have a bunch of other subscribers, including Revere Overland, who know about WKs, have WKs, and whatnot. So my question is, so with a 2-inch lift like this, would you need to have newer upper control arms? So, yeah, that's a question. So I'm looking at possibly JBA or Rocky Road Outfitters. But at the same time, I looked up stuff on Jeep forums saying that, with the specific Daystar lift kit, unlike Rough Country and Rocky Road Outfitters 2-inch budget boost lift kit, the Daystar is designed so that you don't have that certain down travel that would affect your control arms. If you guys know anything about that, or any recommendations if I should have newer upper control arms, just let me know. But yeah, guys, this is free! I am so grateful, guys, literally. And please, please, please check Revere Overland out. He's a really good friend of mine on YouTube. Alright, guys, and I don't want to make this a really long video because it's flipping cold in here in this garage. But yeah, so my tip to you is go ahead, get familiar with the YouTube community, because I actually made really good friends with Revere Overland. Our channels actually kind of grew up together, both of us with our WKs. Like Rocky over here, I don't know if his WK has a name or not, or if he's going to name his WK. And yeah, Spoon. My Spoonie. But, yeah. I'm not sure if I want to make videos with her soon. I might make an intro later on. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about this super epic free 2-inch lift kit that I virtually paid nothing for. So once again, guys, please check Revere Overland out. He's a really good buddy of mine on YouTube. And honestly, his videos are actually a lot better than mine when it comes to editing and actual like really good photo and camera quality. So yeah, guys, alright, remember to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions like about the control arms that I talked about, and subscribe if you're interested in any of my 2 little babies over here. Alright, see you guys later. Peace out.